Good morning, students. In previous class, we discussed, we solved some questions set, based on some sets and some results on set. Okay. Now we start new chapters. Chapter number 2, relations. Okay. We start the new chapter, relations. Okay. In previous chapter, we have discussed various operations on set, okay, and to create more sets out of the given sets. Now in this chapter we shall study one more operation which is known as the Cartesian product of sets. In this chapter we shall study one more operation which is known as the Cartesian product, okay, of sets. Cartesian products of sets in this chapter. Okay, this will finally enable us to introduce the concepts of relations. First of all, in these chapters we discuss about ordered pairs. First of all, we discussed about ordered pairs. We discuss about ordered pairs. Okay, an ordered pair an ordered pair consists of consists of two objects two two objects or elements or two objects or elements in a given fixed order, in a given fixed order. Okay, an ordered pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. Okay, for example, if A and B are any two sets, are if A and B are any two sets, then by an ordered pair of elements, then by an ordered pair of elements, then an ordered pair of elements, we mean a pair we mean a pair A comma B in that order, in that order where A belongs in A and B belongs in B. Okay, an ordered pair consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. Okay, for example, if A and B be any two sets, then by an ordered pair of elements we mean a pair of A B, where in that order where A belongs A and B belong B. Okay, and an ordered pair, one important thing is that an ordered pair is not a set consisting of two elements. The ordering of the two elements in an ordered pair is important, and the two elements need not be distinct. Okay, suppose that the position of a point in two-dimensional plane in a Cartesian coordinate is represented by an ordered pair? You know that, na? The position of a point in a two-dimensional plane in Cartesian coordinate in this way. This is the two-dimensional plane, na? Y o y dash and x o x dash. You know that very well. The position of a point in two-dimensional plane in a Cartesian coordinates is represented by an ordered pair. X and y. Okay. Accordingly, the ordered pairs 1 3, 2 4, 2 2 3 and 3 2 represents different points in a plane. Okay. Now we discuss about equality of ordered pairs. Okay, now we discuss about next topic, equality of ordered pairs. Equality of ordered pairs. Okay, two ordered pairs two ordered pairs a1 b1 and a2 b2 are equal if a1 is equal to a2 and b1 is equal to b2. Okay, that is, we can say that if a1 b1 is equal to a2 b2, this implies that a1 is equal to a2, okay, and b1 is equal to b2. This is the conditions for equality of ordered pair. Okay, suppose, let an example, find the values of a and b if 3a minus 2 comma b plus 3 one order pair equal to 2a minus 1 comma 3. Now let's solve it. Here this is the equal order pair, and for the we have for the equality of ordered pairs, by the definition of the equality of ordered pairs, we have 3a minus 2 is equal to 2a minus 1. That is, we solve 3a minus 2a is equal to minus 1 plus 2. So we have a is equal to plus 1. Okay, a is equal to plus 1. And now here b plus 3 is equal to 3 and b plus 3 is equal to 3. So we have b is equal to 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So the value of a is 1 and the value of b is 0 for the condition of equality of ordered pair. Okay, now we discuss about Cartesian product of set, which is this is most important for that chapter. Okay, in this chapter we shall study one more operation which is known as the Cartesian product of a sets, na. So we discuss about ordered pair and equality of ordered pair. Now next topic is, which is very most important topic, Cartesian product of sets. Cartesian product of sets. Okay, Cartesian product of sets. Okay, let A and B be any two non-empty set, any two non-empty sets. Okay, the set of all ordered pairs, all ordered pairs AB, the set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs A and B belongs B. Set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs A and B belong B is called the Cartesian product of Cartesian product of the sets A and B, and is denoted by and is denoted by A cross B. Okay, thus we can say that A cross B, that is Cartesian product of A and B, is equal to all pairs of all ordered pairs such that A belongs A and B belongs B. Okay, all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs in A and B belongs in B. Okay, if A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi, here phi represent empty set na, which is discussed in previous chapter sets. Phi represent the empty set. Okay, if A is equal to phi and or B is equal to phi, then we define A cross B is equal to phi. Okay, let's see once more time. Cartesian product of two sets. Let A and B be any two sets, two non-empty sets. This is very important concept, which is non-empty sets. Okay, the set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs, small a belongs cap A and small b belongs B is called the Cartesian product of the sets A and B. Okay, and is denoted by A cross B. Thus we can say that A cross B means Cartesian product of two sets A and B is equal to the set of all ordered pairs AB such that A belongs in A and B belongs in B. Okay, suppose if A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi, phi represent the empty set, then we define A cross B is equal to phi. Let's see an example. Take an example. Suppose that if a set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, okay, and set B is equal to 1, 2, okay, then Cartesian product of AB, that is 2, 4, 6 cross 1, 2. Okay, A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs AB, A such belong A and B belong B. Thus we have 2, 1 all ordered pair of AB na, 2 1 comma 2 2. Okay, 2 2. Now we have 4 1 comma 4 2, or as set of all ordered pairs AB. Okay, now 6 1 and 6 2. 6 2 now. Okay, this is the Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, okay. So in this way we find the Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, now we discuss about Cartesian product of three sets. Okay, now we discuss about Cartesian product of Cartesian product of three sets. Okay, let A, B and C be three sets. Be three sets. Okay, then the Cartesian product of three set means A cross B cross C is the set of all ordered triplets, set of all ordered triplets having first element from A, having first element from A, comma second element from B, second element from B, and third element from C. Okay, that is, it means that A cross B cross C is equal to the set of all ordered pair A B C such that A belongs capital A, small b belong B, okay, and small c belong C. This is the Cartesian product of three sets. This is the Cartesian product of three sets. Okay, let's see once more time. Let A, B and C be three sets. Then A cross B cross C is the set of all ordered triplets having first element from A, second element from B, and third element from C. That is, we have A cross B cross C is equal to set of all ordered pair A, B, C. Okay, such that A belong A, B belong B, and C belong C. In this way, we find the Cartesian product of three sets. Let's see a question based on Cartesian product of three sets. Okay. Your question is, if 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 any set A is equal to 1 2, another set B is equal to 3 4, and the third set C is equal to 4 5 6. Okay, then find A cross B cross C. Okay, now let's solve it. First of all, we find A cross B. Okay, first of all we find A cross B. Now let's see, 1 2 cross B 3 4. We know that the Cartesian product of two sets is a set of all ordered pairs A B such that A belongs A and B belongs B. So we have 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, and finally 2 4. This is the Cartesian product of set A and B. Now we find A cross B cross C. Okay, for that, first of all we write A cross B, 1 3, 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Okay, cross C. Here see 4 5 6, 4 5 6. Okay, now the Cartesian product of three set of triplets is a set of all triplets such that A belongs A, B belongs B, and C belongs C. Now, so we have 1 3 4. Okay, 1 3 4, 1 3 5, 1 3 5, and 1 3 6, 1 3 6. Okay, similarly we have 1 4 4, 1 4 4. Okay, comma 1 4 5. Okay, and 1 4 6, 1 4 6. Okay, comma, now we take 2 3. Okay, that is 2 3 4, 2 3 4. Now 2 3 5. Okay, 2 3 5. Now 2 3 6, 2 3 6. Now we take 2 4, that is 2 4 4, 2 4 4, comma 2 4 5, and finally last element 2 4 6, 2 4 6 and set close. Okay, this is the Cartesian product of three sets. Okay, so dear students, you solve Cartesian product of triplets in this way. In this way. Okay, yes. Now we discuss about diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, let if a set A is equal to 1 3 5 and another set B is equal to AB only. Okay, then find the Cartesian product of these two sets by diagrammatic representation. For that, first of all, we form two sets A and B. In set A, the elements of sets written in this circle 1 3 5, and the element of set B is write down here A B, only two elements. And we know that the Cartesian product of two sets is the sets of all ordered pair of AB such that A belong in A and B belong in B. Okay, so we have one cross A means 1A ordered pair of 1A and also 1B. Okay, in this way. Similarly, for the second element 3A and 3B, 3A and 3B na. So here we write in this way 3A and also 3B. Okay, now we take third element and we have 5A and 5B. So we represent in this way 5A. Okay, 5A and 5B. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, clear? So in this way you represent the Cartesian product by diagrammatic representation. Okay, so dear students, today we discuss about relations, ordered pair, we discuss about Cartesian product of sets. This is one important thing is that in this chapter is Cartesian product. We discuss about ordered pairs, equality of ordered pairs. Okay, the most important topic in this chapter is Cartesian product of two sets, and another topic is we discuss about Cartesian product of three sets, and here we discuss about diagrammatic representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, so dear students, first of all you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on Cartesian product of two or three sets. Okay, then after we discuss about next topic. Thank you.